National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kenton County, southern Campbell County, southern Boone County, Grant County, Pendleton County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Owenton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Williamstown, Walton, Falmouth, Claryville, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, Butler, Morgan, Corinth, Mentor, California, Mount Auburn, Visalia, Atwood, Northcutt, Brack, and Gubser Mill. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 73 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 144 and 174.